Welcome. So on today's video, we are going to be talking about copyrights. Now, copyrights protect works of authorships. So that means art, music, software, literature, photography, videography, and so on. Because copyright protects works of authorship, the creator owns the copyright as soon as a creation is made, unless it is transferred through contract. What does that look like? Work for hire. I'm sure that's a term that you've heard before. Remember, for example, if a photographer takes a picture of you, they own that copyright. Now, if you hire them through contract to take an image of something and you pay them for that, now that might be different because at that point, the right has transferred via contract to you. An extremely important right to have if you're a creator because it gives you exclusive rights to reproduction, to public performance, to derivative works. That is an amazing right to have. This means that when you create something and someone else wants to use it, you get to make money off of every time it is duplicated, any derivative work that comes from it, when it's publicly performed. That is an amazing way for the law to protect your right as a creator. Though the copyright takes effect literally at the very moment that a creation is made, you want to go an extra step further by actually registering your copyright. Benefits of copyright registration is the legal presumption of ownership and the very important ability to sue for statutory damages. No one wants their creative work to be taken advantage of, really. The copyright registration process pretty much entails a filing of the copyright and the submission of the work to back it up. Well, one might ask, if I create something and I own the copyright outright, then what is the point of registration? Well, because duration of the copyright matters. For individuals, that is the life of the author plus 70 years. That means that when you create something, you get to own it for the rest of your life, plus an additional 70 years after you pass away. And for corporations, in other words, work for hire, it is 95 years from publication or 120 years from creation.